Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to set metered connection on your Windows 11 computer guys. For that go to settings, search menu and type settings. Click on it and open it. On left side you need to go to network and internet. Select it. After that on right side you need to select your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi here you need to select that. I am using Ethernet, so I am selecting this. Go ahead and select that. After that scroll down guys. Here will be an option guys, metered connection. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you are connected to this network. Click on turn on in, turn on this, turn on or off, your choices. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.